All right, today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you how to put together the Swiffer WetJet Wood mopping kit. Got this for my wood floors, so I'm going to go ahead and unbox this and put this together for you. All right, so the kit is inside right here. You can see it comes with cloths as well as the actual WetJet cleaner in there. So I'm going to flip it onto this side, and there is a little pulling mechanism that opens it up. It's supposed to have it effortless, but you can go on this side right here to make it less effortless. Didn't actually work that way. So right here it shows what comes in. It says, welcome to a Swiffer, connect. So you connect the handle, looks like. It says insert batteries, attach pad, strip down. Load the charger, spray and clean, remove dirty, remove the pad when dirty. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up right here. In here is the batteries. Comes into a pack like this. They're not Duracell, they're Nanfing. I'm guessing that's not English. So I'm going to take the batteries out and then set them down, just get them ready to be loaded within the Swiffer WetJet. So I can set the batteries down, discard the cardboard, and I'm going to go ahead and pull out the Swiffer WetJet. So, right here is the Swiffer WetJet, the wood version. The wood version is brown as opposed to the, I'm not sure, the other color is blue, I believe, for the normal flooring right here. But right here it shows you how to do an insert. I'm gonna bring it up here, insert, spray and clean. So I'm gonna follow these directions when it comes time. Right now I'm gonna pull out, here is the WetJet wood. These are the refills. Set this to the side for a second. I'm going to pull out the handle. So I have the handle part of it. And so what I'm going to do with this first, I'm going just to attach the handle to the main body of the Swiffer wood. Right there, the Swifter. All right, it says, right here it shows the illuminated nozzles. Peel here if you want to take this off. I'm going to leave that on for right now. So right here on the bottom is where you attach the pad. We'll do that momentarily. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and attach the handle to this. Right, so I'm going to take this. And you see in here, there is a little slight electrical circuit for it to work right there. See inside of there? I don't know if you can see that. And then there's a connector right there. You see that? So I'm just going to take this and insert it like that. That's almost all the connection that you need to do. The next, you're supposed to add the batteries to it. Let me see where the batteries are supposed to go. Take out this cardboard. Leave this right here. This is where the batteries go inside of here. You'll see that there's a battery. Let me zoom in so you can see that a little bit better. It's an indicator of a battery. You're supposed to take this off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this off by simply taking this. I'm going to press down, push up just like that. And once this is up like this, it shows how the batteries go in. See the nipple side going up on this side and then going down on there. So I'm going to go ahead and insert these. I'm going to put that in right there. Nipple side up. And then put some down in right here. Slide that back. Put the other one. So the batteries are in there secure. I have them lined up and ready to go back in. So I'm going to go ahead and take the Swifter and I am going to slide this back into place so it is fully battery operational. So take this, slide it in, and it's going to click once it gets into place. So I'm going to put it right here. It's going to click into place. Well, not necessarily click, you can't really hear it, but it's clicked into place. And the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to actually, before I insert this, because you know what, I might as well go ahead and insert this right here. So I'm going to insert this right here. This is the solution that sprays out through the illuminated nozzles. Okay, so I'm going to take this, and you want to put it in like you would think that you put it in with this side in like that, but actually the Swiffer WetJet part is going to be facing this direction. So I'm going to take this, see how it's facing me, see how the Swiffer's lined up. It's very important that you get this right. I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it in there like this, and I'm going to press it down, and then it clicks right here. Do you see that? It clicked in here. Now to take it off, you're going to press this and pull that out. All right, so take note of that whenever you need to take it off. So I'm going to go ahead, and once I have that clicked into place, the solution pack, I'm going to come over here, and I'm going to open up the Swiffer WetJet WOOD, the pads that come in here. There's a lot of pads in here. So I'm going to open it up, and I'm only going to pull out one of them. All right, so I'm going to take this, and you'll notice that one side, it looks almost like a diaper. This side where it's brown right here, this is the side that you want facing the floor. That's going to be facing the floor. So this side with the purple strips on here, you're going to attach it to the purple side right here. Now, if you look closely, it may be hard to tell. Right here is Velcro. These are Velcro fasteners right here. It's really hard to tell, but with those Velcro fasteners, you're going to take this right here, where the purple, it says Swiffer right here. You're going to take these and attach this part to the Velcro fastener. So I'm going to take this, and I'm going to come up to it, and I'm going to just line it up. You don't have to be exactly perfect. Just line it up like that, and just take your hand across that, and it attaches. Now I'm going to show you how it works. So let me go ahead and look at the floor. All right, so I'm going to take the floor, and I have the Swiffer all connected, all prepared. All right, so it's connected. The pad is on there secure. Look right here. And now it's time to start, okay? So how I start is, you see this button at the top of the handle. This button at the top of the handle actually, it starts the solution to spray out. So you're gonna press this, and the solution's gonna spray out. Now you don't wanna keep your finger on it continuously, because you're gonna run out of solution, and the floor is gonna be a huge wet mess. You just press it as needed. So I'm gonna go ahead and press this, and you'll see the solution on the floor. I'll get a little bit of solution on the floor, and then I'll start to Swiffer with the Swiffer wood. All right, so watch this. I'm gonna go ahead and press the button. Did you see some solution come out? Let me zoom in a little bit so you guys can see some of that. Look at the solution come out. You see some of it come out? All right, great. So once it's out, I'm just gonna take some solution and just go back and forth motion like this. And when it gets dry, I'll spray a little more solution and go like that. And I'll just keep on going back and forth throughout the room, like that, to clean the floor. And when it's dirty, all you have to do is pull off the pad, which I'm not going to do and toss it after it's done, because I still need to do the entire floor. It's kind of dirty. You can already see some of the dirt right here on this. I'm going to go ahead and finish Swiftering and clean it up. Let me know if you have any questions with assembly or anything like that. With my experience, let me know. Just leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks a lot for watching.